idea of starting Brooks Grain 12 years ago to take the rye business I've been doing first with my father at Vertic Grain Company and then on my own at various employers to create our own company and name it after my father, Brooks Grain. I thought, who better to partner with than CGB? And they reached out and said the same thing. So they've been involved with us since the beginning. And about 3.5 years ago, they became equity partners, and we started discussing how we could improve and grow. And one of the areas was the craft distillery. And at that time, I moved down to Louisville, and I shared an office with Mike for, what, about 6 months, wasn't it? So we're sitting there brainstorming, because if any of you know Mike, he just keeps things going, you know. And we came up with the idea. I said, you know, eventually we got to do this mill ourselves and not outsource it. So we came up with the idea. He started the project rolling. Matt came in afterwards, and I can't thank everyone at CGB. You know, Terry's group, everybody, there's everyone just did so much, and the crew here. You know, Nate, your people, Jeff. He's our miller. He knows how to run that thing better than Robert. No, I shouldn't say that. Better than St. But I mean, I really want to thank everyone for helping us get this thing off the ground.
This mill was built off and designed to distribute into the distillery industry, specifically the distillery industry. So that being said, it's extremely flexible, and it needed to be flexible because we handle multiple commodities. We handle, you know, everything that typical commodities like rye, corn, malted barley, and even specialty commodities and different malted barley and malted rye and things like that. So in order to be flexible like that, a few things that we had to make sure that we were cautious of is FM and foreign material and different grains by handling multiple different commodities. So part of the mill system, the conveyance system, a portion of it is pneumatic conveyance to help with that and aid with clean out and handling multiple commodities. A few things that we've also have inside in the mill system. We have what we call a destoner. So it acts as a form to clean the grain. It pulls off different FM by particle size or particle weight using aspiration. Some of the other kind of key aspects of the mill. The mill is a roller mill, and it has a first break and a second break, so that allows the opportunity for consistency in the product. Is probably one of the more important things. And to aid with that, we have a sifter that distributes the grain by particle size. It allows us to make sure that everything that we run through the mill is extremely consistent. Every customer is getting the same thing and on a consistent basis. Some of the other key features of the mill, the flexibility and the different abilities to package, I guess, in different sizes. So a lot of what we do is 50-pound bags. We also can bag 2,000-pound super sacks, and we've even got buckets or 35-pound buckets that we can fill as well. So the whole process, the whole operation is extremely flexible and built to cater and support each individual customer in the industry. So those are some of the key points on the mill itself.
This is a proclamation from the mayor's office, and officially it says, "Greetings to whom all these presents shall come. Know ye that today, September 25th, 2019, is hereby proclaimed in Louisville, Kentucky, as you can do here, as Consolidated Grain and